Shipra from Pharma Innovation Lab, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, Punjab Technical University, Bhatinda. Today I am here to represent oral presentation on topic development of flavored oral disintegrating mini tablets by using quality by design approach. Here we go through the introduction. Children vary from grown-up adults in different facets of pharmacotherapy due to differences in preferred routes of drug administration, dose-related toxicity, taste inclination, etc. It is very crucial that pediatric medicines should best suit the age of child, size, psychological conditions of children. To confirm satisfactory treatment for all pediatric patients, various ways of administration, various dosage form, and various drug lengths may be required. Various conventional dosage form available for pediatric population through oral route like tablets, capsules, syrup, solution, and suspension. These formulations often lead to various types of problems in pediatrics, such as choking due to large size, vomit out due to bitter taste of tablet and capsules, difference in dosing in liquid dosage form. So nowadays it has been reported that mini tablets are more convenient than liquid dosage form for administration in pediatric population and also in preschool children. Mini tablets, often termed as mini tabs, offer a suitable alternative for patient compliance, specifically in pediatric and geriatric patients due to its small size, that is less than 3 mm diameter. And it provides certain advantages like more portability, simple handling and measure in exact dose, improve the taste, increase the bioavailability of the drug, and superior stability. The main objective of this research work is that children of having age of 6 months or less shows extrusion reflexes, enabling them to swallow only liquid dosage form. Hence, a dosage form that disintegrates quickly and easily in oral cavity with less amount of saliva can be proved to dosage form for the pediatric population. Therefore, mini tab with disintegration possibility in oral cavity offers the most suitable alternative, defined as mini tab, which disintegrates into small particles less than 60 seconds upon administration in oral cavity. The main objective, primary objective of this study is to formulate novel flavored oral disintegrating mini tabs with disintegrating property in oral cavity as potential and reliable alternative of conventional pediatric dosage form. Here's the methodology. The ingredients we use in the formulation of oral disintegrating mini tablets and the various elements of quality by design for the formulation of oral disintegrating mini tablets. Quality by design is a scientific riskless approach for the development of product which begins with describe the desired quality on the basis of quality target product profile, that is QTPP, of the product, and also highlights the different critical process parameters that could possibly affect the critical quality attributes. QBD also recognizes the highest and lowest levels of the selected factors that critically affect the quality and determine its operating conditions. Furthermore, it also defines the relationship between the independent and dependent variables. Here's the process flow diagram for the preparation and quality evaluation of oral disintegrating mini tablets. In preparation studies, we go through the identity, solubility, melting point, drug excipient interaction, and UV spectroscopy. Then we go through the formulation steps, and at last in characterization, we go through the hardness, friability, weight variation, disintegration time, content uniformity, and in vitro dissolution studies. Here's the Ishikawa fish bone diagram, which represents all the material and process parameters that affect the quality of the oral disintegrating mini tablets. Here are the plots. Plot A is the normal plot. Plot B depicts leverage versus run plot. Plot C is residual versus run plot. Plot D is residual versus predicted plot. Plot E is cook distance plot, and plot F is box Cox plots for both of critical quality attributes, that is hardness and disintegration time. Here's a 2D counter plot and 3D counter plot. 2D counter plot portraying the influence of various variables on selected and the selected response hardness and disintegration time. In 3D counter plot, it portrays the influence of the amount of pharma burst, magnesium stearate, and sodium starch glycolate on critical quality attributes, that is hardness and disintegration time. Here's the in vitro drug release profile of flavored oral disintegrating mini tablets containing paracetamol. Paracetamol containing ODMT shows approx 60% release in 50 seconds of administration and reach a maximum release up to 97% in 3 minutes in both fluid condition, that is salivary condition, and stimulated gastric fluid conditions. Here's the conclusion. The present research work illustrates the application of QBD method for successful formulation of ODMTs of paracetamol targeting the pediatric population. DOE were used for successfully employed for the optimization of selected variables and development of design space. Risk assessment through HAP method and Ishikawa fishbone diagram were done for determining factors affecting the final quality of ODMTs. Characterization of dual ODMT were done by various methods, including hardness, disintegration time, friability, in vitro drug release profile, and results were found to be satisfactory. With the essential comprehension of manufacturing and formulating major factors, current research study shows how QBD method can be applied for formulation of paracetamol containing ODMTs. This formulation has enormous potential for commercial acceptance of exploring this study for different oral pediatric drugs. Here are the key findings that this formulation can open a new vista in treatment of pediatric patients due to various advantages and, more importantly, comparable to pediatric patients. This formulation has a great chance of industry acceptability due to involvement of QD in the formulation. The study offers a systematic study for design and optimization of patient-compliant dosage form involving quality by design practices. Here are the references. Thank you.